Hello cuties, welcome back to our channel. In last video we saw about the letter U. In this video we are going to see about the letter V, the sound of letter V and few words that starts with letter V. This is an uppercase V. This is an uppercase V. This is a lowercase v. This is a lowercase v. And the sound of letter V is V. The sound of letter V is V. So, come let's see few words that starts with letter V. V for van. V, van. V for van. V for vulture. Vulture. V for vulture. V for vegetables. Vegetables. V for vegetables. V for bus. Bus. V for bus. V for violin. Violin. V for violin. V for volcano. Volcano. V for volcano. V for volleyball. Volleyball. V for volleyball. V for vinegar. Vinegar. V for vinegar. So, now you all know the sound of letter V. Come, let's say it together. The sound of letter V is B. Let's see the letter W in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on to the like button and share button. Do subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.